My video guide is about removing the new ransomware type infection, which is called Ballacks. This is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Before the ransomware attack, you are definitely able to open your files without troubles. But because of some existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Ballacks ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Pretty soon people would realize that something really bad has taken place with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore. The ransomware damages all the files and it's not possible to use them. The ransomware is called Ballacks because it encrypts files and then adds this special Ballacks extension to them. Removing this extension manually does not fix the issue. The files are still damaged and encrypted. The ransomware then tells its victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. However, this is not a good solution. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting your files restored. Now, what I recommend you to do is to immediately go to the task manager. If you have discovered some files to be encrypted and some not, go to your task manager, look for any suspicious processes if you find them, and terminate them. Like this is this suspicious process that is related to the Ballacks ransomware. If you terminate its process ahead of time, you will be able to save at least some of the files from being encrypted. So it's a good idea. Typically, this is the process with a long and random name. If you find it, right-click on it and end its task. So this can help you save some files. But I also recommend you to immediately remove this Ballacks ransomware. By the way, this is the ransomware note. To remove this ransomware, you are strongly advised to use a special anti-ransomware program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this page, combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official resource. You might need to use your Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may also be modified by this ransomware. And this is the way Combo Cleaner looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. So this is the website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. And after you download the software, start scanning your system with its help. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. It allows you to add one or even several folders on the system that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know their locations on the system. I strongly advise that you upgrade to premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.